passion that has ignited a fire within me. I find my sorry po. I find myself lost in your song, feeling as if you're speaking directly to me. Your music has been a source of comfort, inspiration, and joy. It's as if you've woven the soundtrack to my life, and I am endlessly grateful for that. Rob, your creativity knows no bounds, and your dedication to your craft is evident in every masterpiece you create. Your art has the power to heal, to uplift, and to bring people together. It's a privilege to be a listener on this incredible journey you are on as you continue to compose, sing, and share your gift with the world. Know that there's someone out here who is cheering you on wholeheartedly. Your music has made a lasting impact on me, and I can't wait to see where your talent takes you. With admiration and love, Cora. Grabe. Minusbid ako doon. Wait lang.
Nakatouch rin yun, ha?
Hindi ko kinaya yung hindi ko kinaya yung English. Hindi ako nag-English masyado. Grabe.
Kaya pa ba, Rom? Kaya pa? Okay pa?
Parang naubos yung social battery ko doon, Okay, for our next program.
Performer ulit, di ba? Performer na.
Ay, okay, performer na pala. Sorry.
Uy, tawagin na natin yung next performer, Kuya AJ.
Wait lang,
Nandito
medyo.
ka na ba?
Medyo pang malakasan ata to. Medyo pang malakasan
Isa rin
ata
to
to.
eh.
Si ano to eh. Si
Idol to eh.